Order online or free shipping. Get 50% off. Welcome back to our channel LITBLINDS store. To make attractive home, subscribe and watch video. Make home attractive. LITBLINDS.store. When it comes to transforming a house into a home, the devil is in the details. Home decor accessories are the unsung heroes of interior design, breathing life and personality into every corner of a living space. From the subtle elegance of a well-placed vase to the bold statement of an oversized mirror, these accessories have the power to elevate any room from mundane to magnificent. Here, we delve into some of the best ideas for home decor accessories, exploring how they can enhance your home and reflect your personal style. At the heart of every cozy living room or bedroom sanctuary lies the humble throw pillow and blanket. These soft furnishings not only add layers of texture and comfort but also inject splashes of color and personality into a space. Mixing and matching different patterns, fabrics, and sizes can create a visually dynamic arrangement that invites relaxation and warmth. Whether you prefer the plush luxury of velvet or the rustic charm of knitted wool, there's a throw pillow and blanket combo to suit every taste and style. While furniture may form the backbone of a room's design, it's the wall art that truly sets the tone and creates a focal point. Whether you're drawn to bold abstract paintings, vintage posters, or minimalist prints, wall art allows you to express your personality and interests in a tangible way. A well-curated gallery wall can add visual interest and depth to a room, showcasing your favorite pieces and sparking conversation among guests. For a more cohesive look, consider selecting artwork that complements the existing color scheme and decor style of your home. Mirrors are not just practical tools for checking your reflection, they're also powerful design elements that can enhance light, space, and style in any room. Strategically placing mirrors opposite windows or light sources can amplify natural light and create the illusion of a larger, airier space. Additionally, mirrors with ornate frames or unique shapes can double as statement pieces, adding a touch of glamour and sophistication to your walls. Whether hung individually or grouped together in a cluster, mirrors are a versatile accessory that can instantly elevate the look and feel of your home. Candles and candle holders are more than just sources of ambient light, they're also decorative accents that can infuse a room with warmth and atmosphere. Scented candles add an extra dimension to your home decor, filling the air with inviting fragrances that evoke a sense of comfort and relaxation. Pair them with stylish candle holders in various shapes, sizes, and materials to create eye-catching displays on tabletops, shelves, or mantels. Whether you prefer sleek modern designs or vintage-inspired classics, candles and candle holders are an easy and affordable way to add elegance and charm to your home. Rugs are not just practical floor coverings, they're also design elements that can tie a room together and add visual interest. From plush shag rugs to intricately patterned kilins, there's a rug to suit every style and preference. A well-chosen rug can define and anchor a seating area, create a sense of cohesion in an open-plan space, or add a pop of color to a neutral room. Experiment with different sizes, shapes, and textures to find the perfect rug for your home, and don't be afraid to layer rugs for added depth and dimension. Decorative objects are the finishing touches that can elevate a room from ordinary to extraordinary. Whether it's a collection of vintage books, a display of ceramic pottery, or a statement-making sculpture, these objects allow you to showcase your personality and interests in a tangible way. Arrange them thoughtfully on shelves, side tables, or mantels to create curated vignettes that tell a story and add personality to your space. Mix and match different objects to create visual interest and balance, and don't be afraid to experiment with scale and proportion. Plants and greenery bring the beauty of the outdoors inside, adding a touch of freshness and vitality to any room. Not only do plants purify the air and promote a sense of well-being, but they also add visual interest and texture to your home decor. Whether you prefer lush indoor plants, sleek succulents, or vibrant floral arrangements, there's a plant to suit every space and style. Experiment with different planters and containers to add a touch of style and sophistication to your botanical displays, and don't forget to incorporate low-maintenance options for those with a less-than-green thumb. In conclusion, home decor accessories are the finishing touches that can elevate your space and make it truly feel like home. From throw pillows and blankets to wall art and mirrors, the possibilities are endless when it comes to adding style, personality, and functionality to your living space. Experiment with LITBLINDS required professionals for blinds installation. Contact us for become our partner. Order online or free shipping. LITBLINDS work in different countries: Canada, USA, UK, Australia, New Zealand, and Dubai. LITBLINDS provide free shipping and get 50% off in each countries. Order quickly to save your amount. Contact US Canada 514-826-5278 and USA 254-708-6262. Or email islitblinds@gmail.com. LITBLINDS.store operating worldwide. We are required the skilled for install window blinds at everywhere. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, comments, and share.